Deja Johnson here from Mark Jacobson Toyota in Durham. Today we'll be looking at the 2021 TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner in that bright Barcelona red. Come around so you can see the hood scoop there. The Toyota badge just like the TRD Pro. Got your upgraded TRD wheels and rims there with your Predator step bars. Of course, this comes with your smart key entry system. You got your black leather with your red stitching and TRD in the headrest. Very aggressive looking. You got your 8-way adjustable driver's seat. Of course, this is the premium package, so you have your heated seats. Take a quick look at your audio system. You got your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Sirius satellite radio. The dash here. You got your different drive, crawl control for your off-roading. Of course, you got your moonroof. It's the premium package. Come around. Back seat. You got your vents for the back seat riders as well as extra USB ports. That black TRD badging there. You got your XP series. That black exhaust pipe on the back as well as your tow hitch. That space in the back. Of course, that back seat folds down completely for extra storage. You got your 120 volt plug in there. This TRD Off-Road Premium has the top basket on it. Give me a call today. I'm at 919-972-9233.